Great day, guys. So our topic for today is how to operate Deerma F323 5 liters humidifier. First thing first, we're going to open the lid. You can see here, it's a very simple way to open the lid. Then you can see here, there's a knob. So dito lalagay ng where you'll connect the knob here before you inserting. So we're going to open the knob, then we're going to put water. So what I have here is a pitcher of water. This a pitcher of water can be also for faucet or gripo. You can refill this. So I am going to put the water here side gently, dandahan, carefully, so they will not drop. So here, so if you want full or half of gallon of water, I'll put here. Then we're going to close the knob. So you will insert here the hole you can see here proper way. So then we're going to insert. But before that, I'll show you where to put the essential oil. So if you want to put the essential oil, you can put it here. This is where you'll put the essential oil. 5 drops. Can be water soluble or essential oil. Depends on the flavor you want. So these are 5 drops essential oil or water soluble oil. Then now we're going to put gently, slowly. The hole must be inserted here. So there, carefully. There. Wow, you can see now the pure essence. And then we're going to plug this 220. Asian countries 220. While in US is 110. We're going to plug. Then we're going to open the knob. This is a very easy way to open the knob. There you can see now, as you can see, the fog. So if you want full blast, and put the knob. See now how strong the fog is. Very strong fog. You can put also a toy here inside, rubber ducky, that the toys that can float. But before you put the toy, must be full tank there. So this now. Then if you want to, and automatically, if there's no more water in the tank, means automatically shut down. Even though it's already in full blast, automatically shut down. If there's no more water, it means you have to, before you put the water, fill water, you off this. Off again, and then you unplug. Then you open the hatch. There. So there, we're going to refill again the water. What we have here, this is another extra water. So we're going to show it to our viewers. This is where you'll put the water again. In case if there's no more water in the tank, so the shutdown automatically, but you have to unplug first and off the knob. So what I have here is a toy octopus, a cute toy octopus. So you can put it here inside. Then we'll close. Then we put back. Then start. And then knob. There. And see. Then you can see the octopus. You can see a toy swimming underneath. See how cute it is, octopus? You can also put here lemon, half sliced melon. You can see how the cute little cuddly octopus is swimming now. There. So this is Carl Tan. Subscribe my YouTube channel down below, Tan TV, and then PM me for order. Limited edition. Thank you and God bless. How cute. Cute octopus swimming.